Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all, old and new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen, you all. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And welcome, most of all, to the Jamaican returns session. Hi, hello, please. How was the stew peas? All you who did stew peas. Hey, for me done. We surely done. Now today, I wanna do for you. We're still on the returns train, y'all, today. Yes. But first and foremost, I feel you doing. TJ, little soldier. You know you're a little soldier in the army now. How was high school today, sweetie? First day of high school? You're a soldier in the army now. So you know you gotta do what? You gotta be militant. Big up yourself, honey bunny. And continue making mommy proud. Pauline D, big up yourself, honey child. How you doing? Are you hey okay? Yeah man, BGG boss. Yo, I hope you're a male cause sometimes the names them funny. What go on, brother? You see a dip on this something. Yeah, manners and respect. And listen to me, y'all who don't understand the patois. When I say what go on, brother, it's a Jamaican slang thing, man. It simply means, how you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? Jamaican patois, slang patois. What go on, brother? Now, I want to show you all today how to store your left back rice and peas. When you're leaving it back, you don't call it returns. But when you leave it and come back for it, that's when it's going to become returns. So now, I have a pot here with some freshly done rice and peas. Get right in the camera, girl. So, what I would suggest, some people, they say fresh, is some heat coming up. Some people dish up first and then they would proceed to what? Leave back, they put it up. But I would suggest you take some out first. And I want to show you, I'm going to show you two versions. I have the, like this is a little lunch version and this is like for dinner, for family version. Hello, you can do your rice and peas for 2 weeks, you know, and take out some and leave some. When you're ready for it again, it's returned. So I'm going to show you when you take some out, how you're going to store it, honey child. Get right in, y'all, okay? So you're going to take out your desired amount into a clean, dry bowl. Scatter it as you go along. Say you have a family of 4 like me, or let us say a family of 3. You know, some people eat a lot, some people don't. And by the way, those shout outs, they were all requested. So if you want me to give you some shout outs, leave it in the comments below. You see, I don't want to just go about keep taking things up on my brain or on my head. If you want me to give you all some shout outs, leave it in the comments below. I'll do it for you. No problem. We're a family, y'all. Okay. We're leaving. This is a family size returns, you all, of rice and peas. Yeah? Yes, this is some rice and peas that we're going to take out because we had some we cook and we're not going to use all of it. But some people dish first. So if you even dish first and what leave back, you get going on it right away. I'm going to show you how you store it. Right in here you have a wider container, close. Okay, so this is it. You're covering your thing. Not lid, you know, it's kind of loose. You're going to proceed very carefully to put in some tap water. Okay, now this is where it is covered right here. You're going to use some blocks of ice and you're going to put it into the water. You're going to put it into an ice bath. Put it into an ice bath, you all. So you get in enough ice to leave it and get it to cool. Get right in on it, family. So this is your ice bath, and you're gonna leave it there. But remember, you need to get the water up to almost get right in. Are you on it? In on it? You don't want the water to come up because it will seep in there, but you want to get it to come up to where the rice stops into the ice bath. And you leave it right there in this ice bath until it's properly cooled. Yeah? You can, as long as you know nothing is gonna go inside of it, you can leave it loose a bit, just a little bit. And you leave it into that ice bath until it's properly cooled, y'all. I hope you're in on it in a family. You take it from the pot, you put it in your container, dry, nice, clean container, put it in your ice bath. Okay, y'all. Now this is one, and this is a lunch version. You have your little lunch kit. Yeah, you cook some rice and peas Sunday. You want to take some for your lunch one day in the week, because when things get tight and when things get sticky, you all know about what I'm talking. If you know about when things get tight and sticky and that happens on your hands, please comment. Now, this is really cool. It's cold. It's cool. Okay? What you're going to do, you're going to simply use a piece of Ziploc or saran stretch, not Ziploc, sorry, a piece of plastic, cling or whatever. If you don't have any cling, hello. You know when things bad, you get a clean, nice, clear paper, plastic, and you put it over it to seal in that freshness. And then you proceed. You dry it and you put it inside your freezer. But that would be the freezer of the refrigerator, not the deep freeze, because you know the deep freeze freezes at a more, colder temperature. It sucks out things more. So you leave this inside your fridge freezer until your desired time. Okay, y'all? So you can keep this for a week. I would say this lunch one, you keep it for a week. This dinner version, you can keep it for up to 10 days. You just come, and after you freeze it, okay, you say to yourself, okay, I'm going to work tomorrow. Things bad midweek. You take it overnight out from the freezer into the refrigerator. Next morning you're going to work. Whatever you have, whatever protein type, you just pull it. Lift the plastic. Dispose of that. You won't need a plastic again. And you put your little protein type on top of it. Okay, it's thawed now. So you're going to work. So when you reach in the office, you have your microwave container. When lunchtime, you just pop it inside your microwave and you just have lunch. Okay, y'all? Now this version is the version for dinner, y'all. Now, when you freeze it in the freezer, it's gonna become hard. Okay? So you want it for dinner for tomorrow. So you take it out overnight ahead of time. You're going to work. When you come back, it's thawed inside the refrigerator. Please make a note of that. From the freezer to the refrigerator until you're ready to reheat. I would not suggest the microwave for the dinner version. Okay? Because it's more and all of that. Now, it's in the freezer. So it gets a little icy, so it might get a little bit fresher. Mix a small amount of salt water or salt to your taste. Dissolve the salt in a little warm water. Pour it, sprinkle it all over it. Leave it inside your pot and low heat. Don't stir it. Don't stir it. Leave it on low flame. Until when you come, you'll see all the heat coming all through it. And when you stir it up with your fork, you'll realize it's ready. Don't stir it. The grains of the rice will be mashed. Now, if you can leave it in your crock pot. Do the same. Mix a little salty water. Pour it over it. Leave it in the crock pot on low for 3 to 4 hours. When you come and leave your crock pot, it will be all steam and your rice will be ready. Don't proceed to stir it, y'all. Just a little information. And I know a lot of you out there would be grateful to hear this. Okay, y'all? Now, on the subject of returns, y'all. Doing a little stew chicken here. But guess what happened? We're still on the return stream. Get right in the camera, girl. We want some gravy right here, y'all. But guess what happened? There is no ketchup. For me, ketchup bottle empty. But you know what happened? We did some baked chicken some time ago, and we have some baked chicken gravy left over. You don't have to throw out your baked chicken gravy. This is baked chicken, this is stew chicken, and we freezed it. We know we don't have no ketchup, and we're gonna do our little stew chicken. We took it from the freezer, put it in the refrigerator to be thawed. Now it's all thawed, so we are gonna go right in. Look at it, y'all. So we have some gravy to gravy down our stew chicken. Okay. And you can just get a little tap water, rinse it a bit. Put it in. Yes. Or if you have your kettle with warm water, you stir and you turn it down on a medium heat and let it get boiling and simmer. There you have it, stew chicken with your Returns baked chicken gravy, you all. Okay? If you have liked this Returns information session, give it a thumbs up, you all. Keep subscribing to the channel. Continue leaving your comments below. Okay, y'all? And remember, man, Debbie from Donga Yard, Returns train.